This time, ZLG ZHIYUAN Electronics tried to find the best balance between performance and cost, and designed a basic R&D oscilloscope with the concept of small and convenient. We hope that all engineers can experience the oscilloscope's analysis function as soon as they use the instrument. 28M memory depth effectively ensures that the sampling rate is fully utilized. Even if the signal is observed for a long time, the waveforms will not be distorted due to the decrease of sampling rate. 50K waveform capture rate greatly reduces the dead time of oscilloscope. Combined with the masked trigger function, it helps engineers quickly locate a fault. The oscilloscope can be used as a powerful analysis tool for laboratory signal analysis and production line performance verification. In addition, 17 kinds of serial protocol decoding and FFT analysis are provided for free, and the optional logic analysis channel and signal generator function are supported. Users can control waveforms easily on a compact 7-inch touchscreen. Meanwhile, the 2.4 kilogram lightweight body makes the oscilloscope ubiquitous, like a laptop, which creates unlimited possibilities for a variety of applications. This is the ZDS1104 Oscilloscope, a basic, small, and convenient R&D oscilloscope.